Yeah, man, this brother Curtis, man, MOJ, man, on Jesus, man. I just came here to show you my song. This song is called 3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm gonna show you basically what I did to mix it and have it sound like this. I'm about to give you a preview right now. Let's get it. Let's go.
Maximus, you crazy. 3 a.m., 3 a.m., 3 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh, play your headphones in the morning. 3 a.m. in the morning, I ain't sleeping. Almost fighting against myself, fighting against these spirits. Lord, sometimes I end up giving it. 3 a.m. in the morning, falling in the temptation. Lord, I done it again. Instead of praying and waiting on you, but I'm falling into a temptation. Falling to it again, but since it's my rise again, cause Christ I'm not condemned, oh no condemnation. You watch from the sideline, you understand what I'm saying? Let's say you cry, it's about me. This is a fire, I got it in my life, shine bright, and I be calling the night. Cause run me from the night, into the marvelous light. So for my life, I gotta fight. 3 a.m. in the morning, ain't sleeping. Almost fighting against myself, fighting against these spirits. Lord, sometimes I end up giving it my Lord. Oh my Lord, Father, my King, Abba Father, my Father. Maximus, you crazy. 3 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning, I ain't sleeping. Almost fighting against myself, fighting against 3 a.m. in the
So yeah, man, you hear how it sound, man. Good quality, you know what I'm saying? Um, this is my auto tune settings, man. Retune speed on 3, harmonize on 15. I feel like that harmonize on 15, that retune speed on 3. The auto tune is not too auto tune-ish, but you can hear my natural voice mixed with the auto tune. So a little bit of, not too much auto tune. So in my ears, I don't know what you might hear, but in my ears, that's what I hear. Also, we have my EQ. I'm cutting it about 115, 25 hertz. Hertz exactly. And I'm cutting my high end, my low end, and my high end. I'm cutting. That's my EQ. I only use one EQ. I don't know. I know other people use 2, 3 EQs, but my whole thing is okay. This is my compressor, man. This is my compressor setting. This is a stock plug-in on Mixcraft now, which I use. And also I just say, man, like I was saying about the EQs, man. I use one. I know you can. I know most people use a EQ to cut out the low end and high end, then use the EQ to cut out the annoying frequencies in the vocals. Now, for me, typically, I feel like for my CPU on my computer to save me power and everything, it really would do that. Not using too much plug-in, so EQ and all that, it really adds up on my computer. So what I would do is use the C4, and the C4 cut out a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? The C4 multi-band compressor, it cuts out a lot of things. Even though it's a multi-band compressor, it's not EQ, but it still cuts out a lot of things. And I have my de-esser here. I'm cutting out these S's and P, D, P, S, T, all that. Man, cut out music. That's what the de-esser is for. And then we have another compressor. Kind of using this one to really just bring up the volume a little bit to address it, you know. I have my delay, not too much, but since it's the hook, I kind of do like it. The feedback is well, actually I'm turning the feedback down, and I'm gonna put it about 9, and I can turn this up, my mix knob up a bit. We have a chorus. Of course you need the chorus. The chorus make it sound so good, because I be singing, so you know what I'm saying. It make it sound good. Let's get it, man. And then we have our flanger here, man. The flanger, most definitely gotta have a flanger, man. Man, it give it the flanger and the chorus together. When you singing, it makes it sound so good. So that's what we have on our chain. But with these sand tracks, man, we got our reverb, man. You see what I'm saying? You see my mix is up above 50. 50 will be right here where the mix is at right there. See my arrows, 2 arrows right there. A little above that. And I messed with the early game and the late game. Yeah. And my time is below 2.5. So same thing with that. Just this is the hook and this is the verse. This is the hook, this is the verse. And see my little delay. I'm sending that to my tracks as well. So, and then I have a crew on my delay, cutting out some lows, cutting out some highs, and I have a reverb on my delay, giving it some wetness. Yeah, and that's just basically it, you know what I'm saying? And that's how I got this, man. This is my own preset that I created in Mixcraft. Now I call it the raw wave template. Raw wave preset. So I end up giving. So yeah, there you go. That's Brother Curtis, man. That's me, MOJ Man on Jesus. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, audio engineer, located in Chicago, Illinois, South Side. I am a Christian artist. I do Christian music. I would love for you to send me Christian mixes that need to be mixed and mastered. I do use Mixcraft 9, and some people might say, "Oh, the industry standard DAW is Pro Tools or Logic Pro better than that," or you know what I'm saying. But it's all up to you, bro. This for me works for me, and I promise I can get a good professional mix just like you can get in Pro Tools right here on Mixcraft 9. So let's get it. Let's go, man.